Welcome back to Claudia's Corner. This is your girl Claudia's. Join me today as I show you how I will make a jerk chicken burger. Now, grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. This meal is simple, it's easy and delicious. The kids will love it. You'll have them asking you for more. Remember now to give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a note in the description below. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what you'd like to see me prepare next in Claudia's kitchen. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for joining. Remember now to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when my new videos are released. Once again, thank you so much for making it Claudia's Corner.